Hello everyone from outside of America's most famous restaurant, the Cheesecake Factory. We're gonna walk in there, order some things, check it out. Joining me is gonna be my mom.
Hello my beautiful people, how are you?
Let's do it. So check it out, this is what it looks like from outside. This is the patio here. Once upon a time, I used to work here, not in this location, but down in Miami.
Beautiful restaurant.
Let's go check it out. Oh, gotta put on the mask. Check out the place. It has its own bakery and it has a full bar. It's pretty big. It looks like some kind of temple or some Egyptian tomb or something. So check out all these cakes. This is one of my favorites, this Oreo one. But they have infinite amounts of cheesecakes here. The craziest thing about this restaurant is how insanely huge the menu is. Check it out. It's literally almost like some sort of Bible. It just goes on and on and on forever. And here we have chicken samosas. Look at this. This is just appetizers. Look at this. This is wild. So much food.
Yes, it's very big.
They have 2 pages dedicated to cheesecakes. I can't help but to notice that mom looks like a blonde Pocahontas. Check it out. A local beer here. Let's give it a go. You wanna try, mom? You wanna try the beer? A little bit. Alright, mom, go on in.
Let me shake it. So soft.
Cheers.
Do you like it?
Oh, it's delicious. It's an IPA. I love it. We have food incoming, guys. Check it out. Avocado egg rolls. These are the Tex Mex?
Chicken samosas.
Chicken samosas. Oh my, they have changed. Check out all the food, guys. Everything has hit the table. Minus one thing. We're still missing one. We have an appetizer piece over here, guys. We're gonna get started here with the avocado egg rolls. These are some deep fried egg rolls stuffed with avocado there, and they come with this delicious tamarind cashew sauce right here, and the sauce makes all the difference, trust me. Try it out, mom.
Good.
This is a bite of heaven.
Wow. Excellent.
They're crispy, crunchy, and they're very sweet.
This is avocado.
The avocado, they somehow make it sweet, but there's tamarind cashew sauce that comes with it. This right here makes all the difference in making this extremely sweet and delicious. Next up, guys, chicken samosas. Right here in America's most popular restaurant.
Samosa, la preciosota.
You got some curry chicken in there. Have a look at that.
Wow.
Deep fried in this delicious wafer. Let's try with this sauce it comes with. Have a look. Like a cilantro sauce right there. Bam. Oh man. You guys have to try these samosas. Cheesecake Factory representing for India right now.
Delicious.
I'm gonna say something. These are a little bit on the hot side, guys. A little bit. Like on a scale of 1 through 10. I almost thought she licked me for a second. But on a scale of 1 through 10 on the hotness, I'm gonna give it a 3, man. It's packing a little bit of a kick there. Next up, we got the sweet corn tamale cakes. These are delicious and hot, topped off with some pico de gallo, some avocado there. Mom looks excited for this. She's making some special noises. Let's give them a go.
Uy, tiene soft cream. Whoa.
Sour cream, yeah, man. Let's have a look at that.
Let me check it.
Mmm.
Wow.
They're made with real corn, and you taste it in each bite. Man, that's good.
Parece cachapa. Cachapa de Venezuela.
Yeah, because of the corn.
Wow. Ready. Las bolitas que te llevan al cielo, pero en Cheesecake Factory.
They look like gulab jamuns, guys. That's what my mom is saying right now. But these are pretzels, and you have some type of cheese sauce here. This must be a new item. I've never tried this here, so we're gonna give it a go.
Qué cómico.
Oh man, look at it. Hold on, I need to take you guys here. Look at this cheese sauce here when you mix it all around. Wow, it's like a cheese fondue.
Wow, la bolita sweet.
So you take your little pretzels for a swim, and then you eat them. Cheers. Oh man. Oh. That is good.
Delicious.
Mmm. Mmm.
You eat all?
I ate the whole thing.
Oh my god, open mouth.
Ah.
Lotón.
One bite, baby, one bite. So have a look. They're sprinkled with some salt on top. Big chunks of salt. And you feel that when the pretzel goes in your mouth. And it's delicious. Delicious little pretzel balls. Oh, you want to see again? She wants a demonstration.
Oh my god. Wow! Alright.
Next up, guys, are the beautiful Tex Mex Egg Rolls. These are stuffed with chicken. You got some corn in there, some salsa, cilantro. They come with an avocado cream sauce on the side, a little bit of pico de gallo. And this is a Mexican-inspired Cheesecake Factory delicacy here. And well, mom's already going in.
I like it. Very good.
This is as close as a Mexican taco is gonna come to being an egg roll. There are beans in there.
Tiene cilantro.
Cilantro, yeah, giving it a lot of taste. And this avocado cream sauce, guys, takes it to the next level. Look at, you want to get as much of that as you can there. It comes with some pico de gallo on the side. Let's put some of that on there. See? Put some of the pico de gallo on top of it.
Pico de gallo.
I recommend you have it with everything. The pico de gallo, the avocado cream sauce, all together, it makes it way tastier. Check it out. To take it to another level, sprinkle some lime juice on top of it, changes it and takes it to a perfect 10 for this appetizer.
You prefer appetizer.
We're almost finishing up here, guys. But next, I'm gonna introduce you to something delicious. If you're a fan here in America of buffalo chicken wings, this goes to another level. It's basically the same thing. There's some chicken there, but it's deep fried in this crispy wafer. Comes with some blue cheese on the side and that delicious buffalo sauce. Let's do it. So what you do is get some extra buffalo sauce, dip it into that blue cheese. It's what?
It's beef.
That's what she said, Mom.
Beef.
That's what she said.
Let me check.
Look inside of there. You have all the chicken there. Man, that is good.
¡Qué cute! Little hamburger.
No, these are chicken burgers. Little chicken burgers.
Chicken burger.
Let's give them a go, guys. So look, they come here with some Thousand Island dressing. You got some mayonnaise, some pickled tomato, and lettuce. Put a little bit of everything in here. Including this delicious Thousand Island dressing. And you get a beautiful looking little chicken slider.
Wait.
That is good.
I like the chicken.
That is freaking tasty. Check it out, guys. We have a lemon meringue cheesecake. You got some marshmallow on top. They heat it up with some flame, a flamethrower, and it gets like that little burntness on top. You have some lemon meringue here, original cheesecake, and then a little cookie crust at the bottom. Let's give it a go.
Ready to rumble.
Bam. This is what you want to do. You want to get a full bite with every single part of this cheesecake.
It's good, lemon.
This cheesecake right here on a hot day is one of the most refreshing things you can have because it really tastes like lemon. The lemon meringue in there is perfect. One of my favorite cheesecakes right here. That's gonna wrap it up, guys, from America's most famous restaurant. I am stuffed, guys. I highly recommend the happy hour here. You can get a lot for a lower price. The total of everything was 70 bucks almost plus tip, like 80, but you saw the amount of food that we have.
I like it. Good food.
Delicious. American food. They have a lot of Mexican food and Indian inspired recipes there as well. I'm gonna walk this off, guys. Catch you on the next one.